Stars spreading.
Alright, so we are leaving the Royal Hawaiian. Last day, check out. We have to catch our flight to Guam. At 2:30 this afternoon. And we'll arrive the next day. We will lose a whole day and arrive the next day. And this is the garden at the Royal Hawaiian. This is the handicap exit. The only rampway to the hotel, which is right there. We just go up there. And that's the, yeah. Alright, so we are in the airport. We got through security check. Yeah, we saw their flight crew. 787. We are in the United Lounge in Honolulu, where I just made myself a pulled pork sandwich. So it's a nice thing. It's not too busy yet. Just got some time before we take off. You compare United's chicken to Delta's chicken curry. Delta was more fresh. And you have what? The pasta? This is United's chicken, which can't compare to Delta's chicken curry. So we arrived in Guam right on time, 6 p.m. Guam. So we just arrived in Guam, 6 p.m. July 2nd. Half a day, we made it. Alright, so we made it to Guam. We're here coming in at 6, about 10 after 6. Pretty good flight. Guam Airport, waiting for our bags to come in. Don't see it yet. Can't locate it on the tracker. Welcome to Guam. That's nice, huh? No waiting. Proceed to the exit. No waiting. Alright, so we made it here. But so we're in the lounge of the Hyatt. We're here at the lounge tonight. We're at the lounge. And I'm gonna get the standard Hyatt burger. And Drew's gonna get a panini. So the burger is $19. And the beer, it looks like it's only $5. There's no federal. In a frosted glass. There's a Miller Lite in a frosted glass, and it's only $5. No federal tax here in Guam. So you save a little bit on liquor. With the salad. And it comes with a pickle. A panini with a salad and a pickle here in the lounge. Burger comes with an egg and bacon. So it's pretty good. It's a kind of egg and bacon with tomatoes on a nice roll with french fries. Wow. So it's pretty good. For who?
Okay, for Carter.
Oh, it's the pancake for Carter. From Grandma in Guam. That's a salad bar. Salad bar. Dressings. Congee, and what is that you got? What kind of soup is that?
Noodles, udon noodles.
Udon noodles.
Make your own udon noodles.
So I got a cheese omelet, some cheese bread, and some bulgogi, pork bulgogi. So that's the bulgogi, the fish, my, eggplants, eggs, and more eggs. Okay, so this is some kind of focaccia bread. This is looks like a raspberry yogurt. And there's some herb butter and some cream cheese here at the Hyatt Regency breakfast buffet. Breads, different kinds of bread. What kind of bread is that? Fun. All kinds of bread. Cheese loaf, pancakes. Well,
And salmon in that thing.
yeah, they have salmon. They have what'd you think of the bulgogi?
It was good.
Yeah, right. So this is the living room area of our apartment here at the Hyatt Regency Guam. Big screen TV, the little desk, a lamp, bunch of pillows. So let's take a look at the view of the beach from here. And it's a beautiful day here. This is from the balcony of our apartment here at the Regency Guam Hyatt. And you can see it's just a beautiful day. The sun is just beautiful. And there is Tumon Bay. Tumon Bay. And it's just a great view here in beautiful Tumon Bay in Guam, USA. We took a 7-hour plane ride from Honolulu here to Guam. We arrived last night. This is on our series Senior Travelers series.